Inside here at Fort Catherine, okay? Orangeburg sewer line replacement. The original cast iron stack started from here, came down this wall, and exited through this protrusion. We are now going to be taking this stack, converting it to PVC, and exiting this way. Tying this lead in here, everything will drain into the basement, around the side walls of the perimeter of the basement and the outside, and into our trench, through the lawn, and then into the roadway to be connected to the sewer main. So we're completely rerouting the sewer line due to the obstructions outside. This line currently runs underneath the deck, which is pretty much inaccessible. And between the property of this address and the neighboring address, it's just too close to excavate and to remediate the pipe that way. So this was going to be the easiest solution, probably the cleanest solution, and the best for the client in terms of cost effectiveness and property disruption.